Hey guys, Cassey here. So today we are going to be working out to some really awesome music. I have a super cool abs playlist for you because I've been discovering some new music on TikTok. Gonna be honest, I get really obsessed with a clip of the song playing over and over again, and then I'm like, what does the rest of the song sound like? So then I go on Spotify and I find it and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so good. So today I have picked 4 of my favorite songs for us to do abs to. It's gonna be non-stop and super fun. This is going back to my POP Pilates roots, so you really don't need to think about time, you don't need to think about reps, you just go with me, you flow with me, and get super sore with me. Our first song is Say So by Doja Cat. If you know the choreography to this, I incorporated a little of it into the chorus, so it should be really fun. So go ahead and bring your legs out, hands forward, and slowly roll down with control, hands behind the nape of the neck, knees and tabletop. Let's crunch. Up and down, lift and lower. Nice. Using your upper abs to lift you up. All right, let's bring the legs up right here. Keeping those elbows wide. Squeezing your quads, engaging your leg. Nice. And lift and lower. Beautiful. Get ready. We're gonna drop this leg right here. Lift and down. Option, place your leg down. Good. 4 more, let's go. Nice. It's burning. Legs up. Good. Now drop the other leg right here. Good stuff, guys. Both legs down. You punch. Up. 2, 3, 4. Roll it down. And up. 2, 3, 4. Roll it down. Nice. And lift. Really strong. 4 more. And up. 2, 3, 4. 1 more. All right, back to the top. Here. Lift and down. And up and lower. You've got it. High, really lifting with your chest and your abs, not your neck. Legs up. And breathe. All right, bring down this leg here, up and down. You got it. Chorus, let's punch, let's go. Up, 2, 3, 4, bring it down. And up. And up, 2, 3, 4, do it again. Just have fun. Feel the music. Again. 1 more. And down. Good. Here. Lift, lift, lift. Nice and quick. Whew. Let it burn. Burn it out. Legs up. Point your toes. You're almost there. Hold it. And down. Hand hold. Bring it down. A couple more. Hold. Keep those elbows wide. Down. And up. Down. And knees in. Lengthen. Knees in. Lengthen. Almost there. In. And out. Last one. Hold it. Okay, you guys, now we've got Playdate, okay? So that last move was to prepare you for star abs. Get ready. You can stay where you were or go up really high. We'll do it together. So your legs are out, your arms are out, abs scooping in, low back into the floor. Okay, we're gonna stay down first. In, 2, out, 2. I am loving this song so much. Kind of just feels like summer vibes. In. All right, now go up if you can, okay? Lift, and out. I just feel my hair sweeping against the mat. It's grown so long. And I'm gonna keep growing it. Nice. Okay, hands by the nape of the neck, flutter. Or hands underneath your tailbone, right there. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You've got it. 4, 3, 2, give me roll-ups. Up, down, roll. Strong abs for me. And lift. Nice, so strong. 6 crunches equals 1 of these roll-ups, don't you forget. You're doing a lot of crunches right now. Lift. We're gonna pack it in there. Couple more. One more. Star abs right here. In, out, or lift it up. Nice. Come on. All right, hold it out. Flutter. Or hands in a triangle. Place it underneath your butt right here. Hold. Press. Breathe. Abs in nice and tight. Good. Hold like that. Hold like that. Hold. Hold. Now, keep going. Keep fluttering. Let it burn. Keep breathing. 4, 3, abs in. Roll ups, ready? Here it is. Roll up and back, down. Strong. Almost there. A little bit more. Lift and slowly coming down. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, that was so good. Okay, now we've got Supalonely, okay? And we're gonna do some transverse abdominals. One hand behind the nape of the neck, one leg out. We're going to cross like this. Ready? Here we go. Cross crunch. Good stuff, come on. Lift, up. Now you can also bend your knee here, that's an option. Or lift it up. All right, get ready. Switching, here we go. Lift and lower. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go into Criss Cross right here. Criss Cross. Nice work. Point your toes. Really bring the opposite shoulder to the opposite knee. Now, 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha, cha, cha. Okay, now where we started, where we ended with the other side, here we go. Lift. I'm gonna finish those up. Nice. Lift. Lower. Okay, a little bit more. Up. Down. Now get ready. We're gonna go back to those crisscrosses. Hands behind. Let's go. Criss, cross, criss, cross. Nice, lengthen the legs. Really lifting the shoulder blades off the mat. Now, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Slow it down, slow, slow. Opposite shoulder towards opposite knee. Good, a little bit more. Hold, hold. Nice, keep going. How that's feeling? Feeling good? All right, you guys, toes together. We're going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You're gonna bring your elbow past your knees, working the obliques now. Double tap, here it is. Tap, tap, center. Tap, tap, center. Good. Boom, boom. Shoulders off the mat. Let's go. And singles, singles. Good. Breathe, breathe. You're doing so good working those abs. Don't stop. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now you guys, we're on to our last song, End This Love, okay? We're gonna start with leg out, so go ahead and bring yourself up. Okay, I want you to place your hands behind your butt, roll the shoulders back, bring the legs out like so. We're gonna extend the legs. Here we go. Out and in. Nice and slow. Shoulders back, chest open, belly in. Good. Nice work. Okay, hands here, twist. Twist. Beautiful. Trying to get the elbow down to the floor. You don't have to. Keep the legs up, down, and center. You've got it. Abs nice and strong. Working these lower abs right now. Come on, and your obliques. Good. 2. All right. Back here, out, and in. Beautiful. A little bit more, then we're gonna flip over because you've got some hip twists. And that's how we're gonna finish it out. You're almost done, you guys. This is your last song. Okay, go ahead and bring the legs under. I want you to bring yourself onto your elbows, palms down into the mat. You're here. Okay? Now you twist, center. Twist, center. Good. Now, quicker. Here it is. Tap, tap. Abs in, back straight. You can also be on your knees here if you need that option. And breathe. Breathe, really chiseling the sides of your body, your waist. Now get ready, we're gonna go into Dolphins, okay? Lifting up right here. Lift for 2, plank for 2, lift. And plank belly in, and up, and down. One more. Okay, hold that plank. Nice. Okay, you guys, bring it onto your hands. Okay, abs in, back flat, eyes down onto the mat, onto the upper edge of your mat, and hold. Good, you're so strong. You've got this. 3, 2, 1, we're done. I thought it was gonna go longer. Go ahead and bring the knees down. Go back into child's pose. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And slowly bring it up. You guys, we just finished an entire ab routine to some of my favorite songs that I found on TikTok, except for Endless Love. I did not find that on TikTok, I found that on Spotify, but still like it. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this ab workout. Share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up if you made it this far, and if you aren't already, go follow me on TikTok. I'm making lots of cool short videos on there, getting super creative, and I post on there every single day, sometimes twice a day. I share my food, what I eat in a day, and all those sorts of things, okay? So I will see you on TikTok and on YouTube, and I hope your abs are very, very sore tomorrow, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.